don't want to hear anybody saying that I don't love you. So, I've been sitting here for a couple minutes with the windows open, and because it's been so highly requested, I'm gonna try another holdback video. I know it's been a while, and then this time I am going to try to stifle as well, so we saw from my other video what happens when I try to stifle allergy fits. It gets oh no. Okay, we'll get there. It gets way worse. It gets really fast. So in a moment, I'm going to actually officially start. That was a little warm up. Yeah. Don't Sneeze returns. Let's go. I hope. So yeah, the window's been open for a second. And I can't even think. Oh God. Oh no. Okay, we got this. I'm not as good at holdbacks as I used to be. I don't know what happened. Oh, and I'm supposed to be stifling too. Fuck. Oops. Okay, you got this. Don't sneeze. No. You can do it. Okay. It's less of a burden and more just like oh no. Okay, it's a little bit easier when I'm talking, but it's also hard to talk when it's this bad, so I'm gonna give it a go and I'm gonna try to talk. So it's less of a burn right now, more of just like a really bad tickle, which is honestly worse. A burn is easier to ignore, whereas this feels like a bunch of like little tiny feathers in my nose. Oh no. Oh. pinching my nose for a second because I got really dizzy on that one. Okay. Okay, let's give it another go. I'm sorry, these have been mostly fails. But it's definitely getting worse and even harder to hold back. I'm trying to talk, but it's taking a lot of concentration. Oh my god. Okay. Right, I'm gonna just run this again for a second. Just to catch my breath. Okay. Give it another go. This time I'm not promising anything because I'm starting to get pretty lightheaded from trying. Trying to hold them in. I'm really congested. god. Oh. I'm so congested that they're not even coming out right because I'm just like full of it. And I'm laying on my back, so it's making it even worse. Even worse. And I know they sound probably weird, but I am so stuffed up. It is ridiculous. That they're like that's me trying to breathe in my nose. That they're normally I stifle out of my nose, but it's like there's nothing going in or out as far as the air, and so they're being forced through my mouth. Through my mouth. I might need to blow my nose unless you don't want me to blow my nose. I don't know. I'm gonna sit up. Hold on. I'm lying on my back and I'm gonna sit up. Oh my god. Hold on. I'm playing the oh my god, I can't even I can't even think. My headphones are just barely in my ears. Don't sneeze. No. So that I can hear myself. Oh, I can't. Oh my god. My left earbud keeps trying to fall out, so if y'all hear something funky, that's it. Oh my god. Oh, they're starting to get messy. I'm so sorry. And now my right earbud is falling out. Oh my god. It's like, I'm super congested, but it's like all packed up there. I might have to blow my nose if that's okay. I might have to blow my nose if that's okay. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Don't sneeze, come on. Fuck. Oh my god. Oh. Oh my god, I'm getting really dizzy. Hold on a minute. Okay. I'm gonna timestamp it. But I'm gonna blow my nose. Hold on. Oh, there's like that's so gross. I'm so sorry. Oh my god. Oh, my earbud fell out. Oh. Oh my god, it keeps falling out. There's nothing even in there really. I'm just swollen. Oh my god, all I gotta say is that I hope these don't sound too weird. Because we are 20 minutes in, and I'm not re-recording this shit. It is starting to slow down, because I'm honestly I'm too stuffed up. blow my nose again. No, it's, I don't know if y'all can hear that, but it's just all swollen. It's not gonna do anything.